Hi, to enable or disable always on display on Amazfit T-Rex free, firstly swipe left from your watch face to open Apps menu, and here use your down button or up button to go through the list, and press this select button to choose settings. Now we need to find Display tab, also select it, and select this first section, Always on Display. So as you can see, it is turned off because the switcher is gray. To turn it on, just press the switcher with the help of your select button. And after Always on Display is enabled, the screen displays time during screen off, which severely reduces battery life. So with the enabled Always on Display, your watch will work approximately 8 days, but with the disabled 13 days. So if you want to enable it, just confirm by pressing select button, and now it is turned on. To turn off, just press here again so the switcher will be gray. And once it is turned on, you can go in Always on style and adjust it as well. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.